History of millets. Millets are a group of small seeded grasses that have been cultivated as staple crops for thousands of years. They have a long and fascinating history, deeply intertwined with human civilization and agricultural practices. Let's delve into the details of the history of millets. Millets are believed to have originated in Africa and Asia around 10,000 years ago. The domestication of millets occurred during the Neolithic Revolution, when humans transitioned from hunter-gatherer lifestyles to settled farming communities. The exact region of their origin is still a subject of research, but it is generally believed to be in the area covering the Sahel region of West Africa, the Ethiopian highlands, and the Indian subcontinent. The primary species cultivated at that time was foxtail millet, Soteria italica. Millets were also grown in ancient Mesopotamia, where they played a crucial role in the diet of early civilizations such as the Sumerians and Babylonians. Millets in ancient texts. References to millets can be found in ancient texts and scriptures. For example, millets are mentioned in ancient Indian texts like the Rig Veda, one of the oldest religious texts in the world. In China, millets were also referenced in ancient literature, including the Book of Songs, Shujing, and the Classic of Rites, Ligi. Spread to India. Millets reached the Indian subcontinent around 2000 BCE. They were well suited to the local climatic conditions and became an integral part of the Indian agricultural system. Different types of millets, including finger millet, Eleusine coricana, pearl millet, Pennisetum glaucum, and sorghum bicolor, were cultivated in various regions of India. Millets thrived in diverse agroecological zones and became staple foods for many communities. Ancient civilizations and millets. Millets played a significant role in the ancient civilizations of India, China, and Africa. In India, the Indus Valley Civilization, 2600 to 1900 BCE, utilized millets as a staple crop. Archaeological excavations have revealed millet grains at various Indus Valley sites. The Vedic period, 1500 to 500 BCE, witnessed the continued cultivation of millets and their prominence in religious rituals and ceremonies. In China, millets were cultivated extensively during the Zhou dynasty, 1046 to 256 BCE, and were considered one of the 5 grains alongside rice, wheat, barley, and soybeans. Millets were particularly important in northern China, where the climate was less favorable for rice cultivation. Millets in African agriculture. Millets have a long history in Africa, where they have been cultivated for thousands of years. The primary species grown in Africa include pearl millet, finger millet, and fonio, Digitaria exilis and Digitaria iburua. Pearl millet, in particular, has been a staple crop in regions like the Sahel, where it is highly resilient to drought and can grow in harsh environments. Millets in medieval and modern times. During the medieval period, millets continued to be an essential crop in various regions of the world. In Europe, millets were grown in limited quantities and were considered poor man's food. However, in Africa and Asia, they remained staple crops, providing sustenance to millions of people. With the advent of modern agricultural practices and the Green Revolution in the mid-20th century, the focus shifted to high-yielding cereal crops like rice and wheat. This led to a decline in millet cultivation in many regions as farmers transitioned to these more profitable crops. However, millets still maintain their significance in several parts of India, Africa, and Asia, where they are valued for their nutritional composition and resilience in challenging environments. Revival and recognition. In recent years, there has been a growing interest in millets due to their nutritional value, climate resilience, and potential for sustainable agriculture. Millets are gluten-free, rich in dietary fiber, protein, and essential minerals. They have a low glycemic index, making them suitable for diabetic individuals. Moreover, millets require fewer inputs such as water and fertilizers compared to other major cereal crops. Millets are a group of small seeded grasses that have been cultivated for thousands of years and have played a significant role in human history, especially in various regions of Asia and Africa. They are known for their nutritional value, drought resistance, and adaptability to diverse climates. Let's dive into the detailed history of millets. Decline and revival. Over time, the popularity of millets waned in some regions due to the introduction of other crops like rice, wheat, and maize. Millets were often considered as poor people's food and were associated with less affluent rural populations. However, in recent years, there has been a growing interest in millets due to their nutritional benefits, environmental sustainability, and adaptability to climate change. This has led to a revival of millet cultivation and consumption in various parts of the world. Contemporary importance. In the 21st century, millets have gained attention as smart food because they are rich in protein, fiber, vitamins, and minerals. Additionally, they are gluten-free and have a low glycemic index, making them suitable for people with dietary restrictions and diabetes. What are millets? Millets are a group of small seeded grasses that belong to the Poaceae family. They are characterized by their small, round, or oval-shaped seeds, which vary in color, size, and texture depending on the specific type of millet. There are several different varieties of millets, including 1. Pearl millet, Pennisetum glaucum, also known as bajra. Pearl millet is one of the most widely cultivated millet species. It has large, round grains and is primarily grown in Africa and India. Pearl millet is highly tolerant of drought conditions and is a staple crop in arid and semi-arid regions. 2. Finger millet, Ullucine coricana. Finger millet, also called ragi or African millet, is a staple crop in parts of Africa and Asia, particularly in India and Ethiopia. It has small, finger-like grains that are rich in nutrients like calcium, iron, and fiber. Finger millet is known for its excellent nutritional profile and is often used in the preparation of porridge, flatbreads, and other traditional dishes. 3. Foxtail millet, Soteria italica. Foxtail millet gets its name from the shape of its seed head, which resembles a fox's tail. It is one of the oldest cultivated millet varieties and is widely grown in China, India, and other parts of East Asia. Foxtail millet is used in a variety of dishes, including porridge, pilaf, and as a rice substitute. 4. Proso millet, Panicum millesseum. Proso millet, also known as common millet or broomcorn millet, is cultivated in various parts of the world, including Europe, China, and North America. It has a small, round grain and is often used in bird seed mixes. Proso millet can be cooked into a fluffy texture or ground into flour for baking. 5. Barnyard millet, Echinocloa spp. Barnyard millet, also called koto millet or sanwa millet, is primarily grown in India, Nepal, and other parts of Southeast Asia. It has a slightly larger grain compared to other millets and is used as a staple food in some regions. Barnyard millet is known for its high protein content and is used in porridge, pilaf, and as a rice substitute. 6. Little millet, Panicum sumatrans. Little millet is a small-grained millet cultivated in India, Nepal, and Southeast Asia. It is known for its resistance to extreme weather conditions and is used in the preparation of porridge, upma, and other traditional dishes. These are just a few examples of the diverse range of millet varieties. Millets are valued for their nutritional content, including high levels of fiber, protein, vitamins, and minerals. They are gluten-free, have a low glycemic index, and are considered a healthy alternative to rice, wheat, and other grains. Millets are consumed in various forms, including whole grains, flour, flakes, and as an ingredient in bread, porridge, cereals, and snacks. What are the health benefits of millets? Millets offer a range of health benefits due to their nutrient content and unique characteristics. Here are some of the key health benefits associated with millets. 1. Rich in nutrients. Millets are packed with essential nutrients, including dietary fiber, protein, vitamins, such as niacin, thiamine, and folate, minerals, such as iron, magnesium, phosphorus, and zinc, and antioxidants. These nutrients are vital for maintaining overall health and well-being. 2. Gluten-free. Millets are naturally gluten-free, making them an excellent choice for individuals with gluten intolerance or celiac disease. They provide a safe alternative to wheat, barley, and right for those who need to follow a gluten-free diet. 3. High in fiber, millets are an excellent source of dietary fiber, both soluble and insoluble. Fiber aids in digestion, helps regulate blood sugar levels, promotes satiety, and supports overall gut health. Consuming fiber-rich foods like millets can contribute to better digestive function and may help prevent constipation, lower cholesterol levels, and reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. 4. Low glycemic index. Millets have a low glycemic index, GI, which means they release glucose into the bloodstream at a slower rate compared to high GI foods. This gradual release of glucose helps maintain steady blood sugar levels, making millets suitable for individuals with diabetes or those aiming to manage their blood sugar levels. 5. Rich in antioxidants. Millets contain various antioxidants, such as phenolic compounds, flavonoids, and carotenoids. These antioxidants help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, protecting cells from oxidative stress and reducing the risk of chronic diseases, including cardiovascular diseases, cancer, and neurodegenerative disorders. 6. Heart healthy. Millets are known to be heart healthy due to their composition of nutrients. They are low in saturated fat and cholesterol while being high in fiber, which can help reduce the risk of heart disease. Millet's high magnesium content is also beneficial for maintaining healthy blood pressure levels. 7. Weight management. Millets can be beneficial for weight management due to their high fiber content, which promotes satiety and reduces appetite. Including millets in your diet can help you feel fuller for longer periods, potentially aiding in portion control and weight loss. 8. Promote bone health. Millets, particularly finger millet, ragi, are rich in calcium and other bone-strengthening minerals. Including millets in your diet can contribute to maintaining healthy bones and reducing the risk of conditions such as osteoporosis. 9. Good for digestive health. The fiber content in millets supports healthy digestion by promoting regular bowel movements, preventing constipation, and supporting a healthy gut microbiome. It's worth noting that individual nutritional needs may vary, and it's important to consider personal dietary requirements and consult a healthcare professional or nutritionist for personalized advice on incorporating millets into your diet.